Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In today's session, we're going to discuss about what is string, what is string buffer, and what is string builder in Java, and why we use these classes and what scenario we need to refer. So without delay, let's get started. First, we need to understand what is string in Java. In general term, string is a sequence of characters. But in Java, string is an object that represents a character of sequence. The string class is a part of Java lang package. It's used to create a string object. There are two ways you can create a string object in Java. So first one is string literal, and the other one is the way of using new keyword, and also it's called as non-literal. Let's see what is literal, string literal. The string literal is created by using double quotes. So in general, we used to have a string class and object name equal to value of the string and we enclose with double quotes. This is called string literal. So these value will be storing in the string constant pool. So we have a space inside the heap where these literal values will be stored in the heap. And string is a kind of immutable class. You can't modify the value. So that is one thing. And the second non-literal string. So by using of new keyword. So string s equal to new string of the string value. So this basically what it does is it creates the object in the heap memory. Okay. In this such a scenario, JVM will create new string object in normal non-whole heap memory and the literal welcome will be placed in the string constant pool. The variable will refer to the object in the heap. So you understood guys? So basically this is my heap. So if you see the heap memory inside the heap, I have string pool. So string constant pool have the memory for literal strings. So if I create s1 str1 equal to abc, those value will be stored in this string pool. If I create the string using new key, then this will be stored in the heap level. So I hope you understand these two difference. Let's go to the next slide. So now let's talk about what is string buffer and what is string builder. So in string uh, buffer, basically it's a thread safe. So in general, we call it as thread safe and is immutable kind of object. So you can add or modify your value at the runtime with the help of string buffer. The same behavior applies for string builder. There is only difference is this is sync. A sync buffer is synchronized and this is not synchronized. That means string builder is not thread safe. There is only difference we could see in this uh, classes. So in Java provides three classes to represent a sequence of characters. One is string. With the help of string class, you can create a sequence of characters. Another way is string buffer and string builder. The string classes is an immutable the class, whereas string buffer and string builder classes are mutable. As I mentioned, these two are mutable objects. There are many differences between this. Let's see what are those. So as I mentioned, string buffer is a synchronized a thread safe. It means two threads can't call the method of string buffer simultaneously. So other way, the string builder is non-synchronized, not thread safe. Else not thread safe, it means two threads can't call the methods of string builder simultaneously. So string builder is less efficient than string builder. String builder is more efficient than string because it enclosed with a synchronized block. All the methods are uh, enclosed with synchronized part. So obviously your performance will be get delayed. And string buffer was introduced in Java 1.0 and string builder was introduced in Java 1.5. So friends, we saw this difference and let's see one practical code so how we can see it. Okay friends, I switched to Eclipse IDE. Let's see what was this difference, right? So first let's see what is string. So as I mentioned, string is immutable object. So why it's immutable? Let's see the real string class. So here you could see it add a final as a keyword so that you can't modify this object. Once you know right how this final works, once we declared a final to the object, so it will become an immutable object. And also the string has a different interface implemented. One is serializable, comparable, character sequence, constantable, constantable description. So these are the interfaces that is implemented for string class. So it's an immutable class, and this is part of Java lang string. And next one, string buffer. So as I mentioned, string buffer is a thread safe immutable sequence of characters. A string buffer is like a string but can be modified at any point in time in consistent contains some particular sequence of characters. But the length and the content of the sequence can be changed through the certain method calls. Okay, friends. So this you can understand. This is thread safe and it can be used for synchronized process and concurrent process. Yeah. And let's see the next class, string builder. So as I mentioned, string builder is not mutable because we can modify the value at the runtime. And so this is part of Java Lang package. And this class provides an API compatible with string buffer, but with no guarantee of synchronization. This class is designed for using drop-in replacement of string buffer in place where the string buffer was being used by single thread. Where possible, it is recommended that this class to be used in references to string buffer as it, it will be faster under most implementation. So friends, let's see what we have in the string buffer class. So string buffer class has extended abstract string buffer, and with help of this you can modify your object value, but you can't create a new object or clone your existing object. So here I could see this also has a serializable and comparable string buffer and character. These are the interface, and the abstract string buffer is a class which is extended to this string buffer. So let's see what we have in the string builder. So this also, once your object created, you can't create another object with the same, but it a value you can modify. The flexible the string builder can be provided. So if you see, this also similar, only the class name is got changed. What is the difference, friends? Here you can see both are same. String abstract string builder and string abstract builder. This also builder and this also have a builder. And here serializable and here also serializable compared to all the implementations, right? Extended class implementation are same. The only difference is if I go here and look for synchronize, you could see synchronization. If few of these methods, right, as all the methods are synchronized. So you know, right, if I define a synchronized for given method, so it is thread safe. No, only one thread can be accessible to that method. So it will be working like a box mechanism, right? So if I go here, if I try to find synchronization, I will not find any synchronization because this methods is non-blockable kind of methods. So this is not thread safe basically. So friends, you understood right? Now in this example, let's do one quick uh, practical explanation. So here I'm going to created one string buffer class and 10,000 times I'm going to add some string to this, appending the string to this string buffer object. It's same with string builder. Let's see what is the difference between these two. See, String buffer it's taking 4 milliseconds and the string builder is taking 2 milliseconds. So the scenario where you need a single thread is accessing, then you can go with this string builder as your um, you can use the string builder classes for your operation. But if you have a one concurrency kind of use case, then prefer to use string buffer class. So friends, I hope you understood this differences between the string buffer, string builder. So we'll catch you in the next video. Until then, thanks, bye. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please be sure to hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel for more great content. I post new videos every frequent, so you don't want to miss out. Thank you.